The difference between the bank and the credit union for us was huge. Switching to Advantis Credit Union was great.
It's smaller, it's local, it's much more customer focused. I mean, they get personalized service much better than I think any bank does on a larger scale.
We actually have been through home remodel. We've been through a couple different cars.
Our loan experience with Advantis has been great. Our last example was with a car that we were in the process of purchasing. The representative we worked with was great and understood the urgency to get the paperwork completed, push things through.
I think we called Friday at 4:30 or 4:45 and had a verbal by 5 o'clock, go ahead and take it, sign the paperwork, and they had the check on Monday morning. A couple months ago, our checking account was drained through identity theft, and we were hacked through PayPal. Within a couple of hours, I believe, Advantis had put the money back in our account and said, you've been a client long enough, we'll put the money back in your account when we get it all worked out with PayPal. We'll refund ourselves, but go ahead. And that was really great for us because, we have 2 kids. We were getting ready for a 3-day weekend. With the Advantis Credit Union was in our corner, and they, had faith in us and helped us out through the weekend. And that wouldn't have happened with our previous big bank.
I like Fusion Checking just for the fact of the ATM charge refunds that you get. I think a lot of people think that you have to go to a credit union ATM so you're not charged, $2, $3, whatever they're charging. But the fact that I know I can go to any ATM and I get charged, but at the end of the month I get those charges back, I think is great.
From a very early age, we really, really wanted to promote savings with both kids. And we have a 12-year-old who is not so excited about saving. He'd rather spend than save. So I love that he can actually go in. He can look online to see what his balance is.
We can transfer money allowance. Sometimes we put his allowance in directly.
If somebody is considering switching from a bank to a credit union, I would absolutely recommend Advantis Credit Union. They have been wonderful for us. I do believe it's one of those things that you don't know how wonderful it is until you're there.